everyone, my name's Annette and welcome back to Coteau Verde. I haven't filmed for a while. I've been in France and I've been away for quite some time, and I've come back and I am appreciating the autumn colours so much. The colours are so beautiful. I just love the oranges and reds in my garden, and I particularly love this Acer Griseum that we've planted here on the patio. And it's special because not only does it have this spectacular colour, but it also has the most amazing bark, and when the sun shines through it, it kind of glows red, and particularly with the low autumn sun, it catches the bark and it's amazing. What I'd like to change about the tree is that it's very low to the ground, and so even though there's a metre square bed at the bottom, I'd like to plant some bulbs in it, and I did do this last year, but they kind of got swamped by the new growth from the leaves on the tree, and anything that we have in there later on in the year is completely engulfed by all the greenery. What I'd like to do is raise the canopy. It's really important with acers because they bleed, so you only want to prune lightly when they're dormant. So I've waited all year to prune this tree, and once all the leaves have fallen, I'm going to prune it. But I really wanted to show you the spectacular autumn colour. I love the leaves. I love the variation in colour that you get in the autumn. So I want to be able to see the trunks at the bottom and then have the canopy above. There are branches like this one here that I will prune off because they're too low hanging, and I may take this branch off here as well, because this one here, it will just raise the canopy and then you'll be able to see these beautiful trunks more. I will probably take off this one here as well. So that's what I'm going to show you now, is the pruning. It's the middle of January and now is a great time to prune your acers. All the leaves will have fallen off, and as you can see, all our bulbs are coming out. You're not supposed to take off more than 30%, and I'm just going to choose the branches at the bottom and chop them back to the main trunk, and then I'll have a look, and if there's anything crossing, I'll take those off too. You would also normally check for dead wood. I will check, but I don't think it's got any. Okay, so the first branch that I'm going to take off is this one here. You want to take it back to the join, but not cut into that joiny bit there. So you want to take it just to the join there. And I may need to get my loppers for this. I hurt my right shoulder recently. I don't know what I did to it, but it looks like I'm going to have to ask Richard for some help because I don't have the strength to cut the big branches. So let's go and find Richard. I'd like to take off this branch here, please. So definitely that one down there. And yes. Take that bit off, start with that. So these two are going to rub against each other, so we need to decide. I think we'll take off the lower branch here. Max has come to investigate. So that's it for today. That's all we're going to cut off. I don't think we took off even 30%, probably not even 20%, but I wanted to stop there and just sit with it for a year and see how we find it. But we have cleared a significant amount of the bottom so we can see the trunks better, and when the sun shines through sort of after midday, it comes from this direction and it's going to look gorgeous, lighting up all those crinkly bits of papery bark. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this and found it useful, and if you have, please do subscribe to my channel because it really helps me make more videos like this, and you'll get to see more of my garden and what I'm going to be doing in it this year, and I've got great plans. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button, and the little bell thing will send you notifications every time I post so you don't miss anything. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.